Sirvomu LP School is an English medium lower primary school located at Paklangso, number 2 under Sarupathar constituency. The school offers classes to LKG till class 5, comprising 53 number of students in total. The school was established in the year 1950, right after the constitution of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the then Karbi Anglong District Council. But due to least maintenance and least number of students, also the negligence from the concerned authority, the current condition of the school is ramshackle. When our correspondent visited the school, the local residents and teachers of the school shared their grievances and therefore seek all the basic necessities for the convenience of the children to be provided at the earliest. Due to unavailability of school building, the students from LKG to class 5 are compelled to sit together in 2 classrooms. Unfortunately, there was not even a single bench to put their bags and books. No desks, black and white boards, chair, table could be seen. The children had to sit on floor to gain their knowledge. There is no playground and moreover, no proper school boundary was present. Therefore, teachers and the local residents of the region appeals Dr. Tuliran Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Richard Togby, EM Education, to kindly furnish all the essential materials for the upliftment of the school in general. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.